What's up, YouTube? This your boy Jim. You know what I was thinking? Let's make a new video today. We're gonna start fresh, just like I did before. We're gonna build a brand new profile. We're gonna put some big dog lines on it, some 40Ks and some 60Ks. Then we're gonna go get some approvals, and then we're gonna do a video on that. So I'm gonna show y'all that I'm still the truth, and can't nobody do these numbers like I do. Nobody. Not nobody on Craigslist, not nobody on Facebook or Instagram or any other of these social media sites. Now they could tell you what they want to tell you, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna build a profile, we're gonna add some trade lines on it, and then we're gonna go get some approvals, and I'm gonna put it right back up on the web. And when you see it, you will know it's real. So let's do it. Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Jim. I want to do a quick video on this new profile that I'm setting up. I already added some lines to it, so they're not reported yet. So I want to do a quick before video. So when it does report, we'll be able to do a second video, and you'll see that we can add some primaries on there. I'm gonna put probably at least 6 years or so on there, maybe $30,000-$40,000 limit. It's gonna report on all three. So I'll do a video. I'm gonna have to do something with a 3 credit bureau. So right now I just got this Credit Karma, but I'll do that, and then I'll combine it with a different one as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all this profile real quick. Right here. This one we're gonna do it on Jarrell Montez Dorsey. I removed the last 2 numbers for the social, obvious reasons. I set this up in the Virgin Islands. It's still part of USA. Then I switched everything over to Florida. I just wanted to build it a different way, try something different. So I'm really looking forward to this. I'm really excited about these trade lines, and I think y'all gonna be too. So here is the credit report. We're gonna log in here real quick. We're gonna look at these 2 different bureaus. Mind you, I ain't put nothing on here yet. I want to show y'all that, you know, it's nothing on here. As you can see, say NA, but they always show a number 4 for some reason. I guess that's a new thing. But TransUnion, nothing on there. Equifax, is nothing on there either. Okay, so let's go down to the credit report real quick. So 1 inquiry from Discover. Everything else has zeros. No data, no data, no data, no derogatories, no accounts. And it's not nothing that I cleaned up or nothing. This is a Cpn that I did. Okay, this says February 27th. It's nothing on here. We're gonna go to February 8th. There's nothing on there. We'll do December 1st. This is the first day that I put the report, so it's nothing on there either. Alright, so now we'll go back. We're gonna look at the other bureau, which is TransUnion, which they're gonna pretty much be identical minus the inquiry that's on here. You can see 000, no data, no data, no data. So, okay, February 27th, nothing on there. Same thing, February 8th, December the 1st, nothing on there either. So there's nothing on there. Absolutely nothing. It's clean. All right, so in about, I'm gonna say maybe the next 3 weeks, we should be doing another video, so I can do a second part to this and show y'all that everything is good. Because when these hit, it's gonna be a whole different ball game for this. I promise you, it's gonna be a whole different ball game. We got some big limits, and they gonna be to where we're gonna put some real A's on. We ain't gonna be doing no 2-3 years or none of that. We're gonna do 5 years, 6, 7, all the way up to maybe probably 13. And we're not gonna have to worry about these falling off. None of that. We got a whole new method. I done tried it, it worked, and it also works on business. So We can do them on the business too. So y'all know how to reach me. I just want to do something real short, sweet, straight to the point, not talk y'all ear off. Y'all can contact me right here on my webpage. It's realcreditnow.com. Y'all know my phone number, 248-499-2422. You can email me at jimsr, JIMSR, at realcreditnow.com. And we're going to work on Mr. Dorsey's file here. And also, when we get done with this, what I'm going to do is, what I did in one of the other videos is, I'm going to do a third one, and I'm going to order some credit cards and show y'all what I got approved for. Not just that we can add lines on there, because if we add lines on there and you can't get approved for none, then it's kind of pointless. So that's what we're going to do. So y'all contact me and let me know what you want. Like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you know when I'm doing new things. And we always got stuff going on. So go on the website, check it periodically. I got live chat, so if you can't text or something like that, you can reach me that way too. You can text me, call me, email me. I'm always available pretty much most of the day. I really appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this video. I wish y'all the best financial success in the world. This is Jim with Global Consulting Resources. If you need anything, call the number or email me. And y'all stay safe. Peace.